In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about creating and managing smart lists in Ticktick, a powerful tool to keep you organized with to-do lists and calendars. We'll go through the setup process step by step, ensuring you can make the most out of this feature to enhance your productivity. To get started, you'll need to visit the Ticktick website. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the login options. For convenience, you might want to use the Google sign-in method, provided that it's suitable for accessing your Ticktick account. Select your account from the list and you'll be signed in automatically without the need for entering passwords or other credentials. Once you're logged onto your Ticktick account, you'll find a profile icon situated in the top left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this icon displays a drop-down menu, and here you'll need to select the Settings option to proceed. This is where the customization magic happens. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Smart List. Clicking on it will bring up the interface to manage your smart lists. Now, for those unfamiliar, smart lists in Ticktick allow you to automatically categorize and filter tasks based on set criteria, which can be incredibly useful for managing priorities and deadlines more effectively. If any smart lists are currently hidden, you'll see an option to hide on smart list. By selecting this, the hidden smart lists will temporarily disappear from your view, making it easier to focus on what matters most at the moment. However, if you decide you'd like to view them again, don't worry, simply click Show in the drop-down menu to make them reappear. Finally, once you've chosen which smart lists to display, they'll appear on the left sidebar of your Ticktick interface. This accessibility allows you to quickly glance at your tasks and switch between different lists with ease. Using smart lists effectively can really streamline your workflow, ensuring that you're always on top of your tasks. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and customizing smart lists within Ticktick. By following these steps, you can organize your tasks in a way that's uniquely suited to your workflow and preferences. Whether you're a student managing assignments or a professional tracking multiple projects, smart lists are a game changer, so go ahead and try it out and let us know how it transforms your productivity. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and if you have any further questions or need additional tips, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy organizing.